Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how we can save files from, say the progress set into the field folder so that we can edit them. I'm just going to go into the electrical. I'm going to pick any file at random. Electrical penthouse roof. Now say I want to start marking up this file. This one doesn't have a whole lot on it. I'm going to find one that actually has some stuff on it we can look at. Let's see, my electrical second floor. There's a lot of stuff on here. So say I go in here and maybe I'm doing wall rough-in and I want to start marking up what's been installed, or maybe I'm wiring up these fan power boxes in the ceiling, new mechanical. I want to start marking up what's been installed. I got problems with this one. I want to put a cloud on it to note that we need to come back to this later, or we need to pull a new home run, whatever it is. You need to make some markup. Maybe you're doing as-built, or maybe you're doing a wall rough-in prefab plan. Anything you want to do that has markups. Like we've been talking about, you don't have the ability to edit drawings within the progress set. And we don't want to edit the drawings in the progress set because even though you're marking it up for what you're working on, the next guy will come look at it might not need that information. So we want to save a copy of this file into our field folder and then start marking it up so that we can do whatever we want. Saving it is as easy as you open up the file, tap and hold on the name up here. You'll get a little thing that pops up that says Save As. Tap on that, and then it'll come up with the same file structure that we've got where you open it up with. And you can see where it says, I got 1900 N Street, Documents, Drawings, Progress Set, Electrical. If I hit this back arrow, now I'm in my Progress Set, now I'm in my Drawings, now I'm in Documents. So scroll down, find the field folder, find where I want to save it to. I'm going to save this one in wall rough-in. This is a second floor drawing, so maybe I want to put in there. Or if you want to put a new folder. Say I just opened up, the Will Della Penna folder, and I want to put in there as-built. I can create new folder, name it as-built or whatever I want to name. Hit create. You'll see it creates a new folder. If I want to save it in here. Now, if I want to change the name, you can see the name of it is whatever the file was originally named. Maybe I want to have electrical level area A, and then I want to note as-built. So we can see it says as-built. I can change the name. I can delete everything I want and just call it, second floor as-built. You can name whatever you want, and then hit save. And you'll notice the name up here changed to what I named it. Now that file that I'm looking at is in the field folder. It doesn't erase it from the progress set. It's just taking a copy of it, leaving the original where it was, taking a copy and saving it wherever we need to. Now we can go in and edit it, mark it up however we want, and be able to do whatever we want to it. Another time that would be good to save copies is like we were talking about with RFIs. There's the RFI template. If you wanted to write up an RFI, before you start writing up your RFI, I would save the template as a new file, name it, whatever the RFI is about. That way we keep the blank template for the next time someone wants to go in there, they've got it. Same thing like a material order. If you're doing the material order form off the template, I'd resave it as a new name. I like to name it whatever the date it should be getting delivered is, just so I can easily search through and find it, but however you guys are naming it. That way the next time someone goes into the template, it's a blank template form. Any questions on how to save files into into different folders, Benito?
Pretty much before you start modifying the file, you gotta save it.
Yes.
So
If you're opening it up and all you're doing is, if you're just looking at it for information, you just want to see what's the circuit number for that receptacle, or you're just going to pull a dimension off it or something. It's something. If you're not actually putting markups or changing the drawing in any way, just pull up the drawing and look at it. You don't need to do anything. If you're going to be changing it in any way, then you want to save as and put it into your field folder and start and go from there. Anyone else? Okay.